Adidas continues to spotlight its iconic Samba line with a women's exclusive release that introduces two metallic-inspired colorways, blending heritage with modern updates. The standout is the metallic silver pair, featuring white stripes, brown gum soles, and a sandy textured finish that sets it apart from earlier cracked leather editions. Its counterpart arrives in all black, accented with metallic eyelets and silver Samba branding for subtle shine, while maintaining the same grainy treatment. Already launched in Asia, the pack's US availability is still unconfirmed, keeping fans eager for updates. With shimmering details and refreshed materials, both designs provide versatility and boldness, ensuring style seekers can pair them easily with various looks. By reimagining textures without losing the sneaker's timeless DNA, Adidas reaffirms the Samba's adaptability and enduring popularity, proving once more why it remains a staple silhouette in the brand's evolving footwear lineup.